alligator. Ally the alligator likes to swim in the river. Benny the bear loves to eat honey from the hive. Kathy the cat purrs softly as she takes a nap. Dottie the dog chases his tail in circles. Ellie the elephant has a long trunk to reach high leaves. Felix the fox hunts for berries in the forest. Jerry the giraffe stretches his neck to reach the tallest trees. Hedda the hippo splashes happily in the muddy water. Iggy the iguana basks in the warm sun on a rock. Jake the jaguar prowls stealthily through the jungle. Katie the koala sleeps soundly in the eucalyptus tree. Leo the lion roars loudly to show he's king of the jungle. Milo the monkey swings from branch to branch with glee. Nancy the newt dives deep into the cool pond. Oliver the owl hoots softly in the moonlit night. Penny the penguin waddles gracefully on the icy shore. Quincy the quail scurries quickly through the tall grass. Rosie the rabbit hops happily in the green field. Sus the snake slithers silently through the tall. Tommy the tiger prowls through the jungle with a fierce roar. Yuma the unicorn gallops gracefully through the enchanted forest. Finny the vulture soars high in the sky looking for carrion. Walter the wolf howls at the full moon in the night. X-ray fish, Sandy the X-ray fish glows brightly in the deep ocean. Yolanda the yak grazes peacefully in the mountain meadows. Zach the zebra dashes swiftly across the African savannah. Jake the jaguar prowls stealthily through the jungle.